Welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. The final set of Jamaican athletes began arriving at their training camp in Tottori on Friday, ahead of the World Athletics Championships in Tokyo, Japan. Jeremy Brown now reports.
Jamaica's head of delegation to the World Athletics Championships, Ian Forbes, says that things are progressing smoothly at their training base in Tottori, Japan. Speaking with TVJ Sports, Forbes explained that the final set of athletes were due in the camp on Friday.
Things are progressing smoothly at the Jamaica training camp in Tottori. We had quite a number of athletes coming in earlier today, and the mood is very upbeat. Things are going to plan, and we are very satisfied with how things are evolving. Our athletes are getting acclimatized. The weather has been largely hot, but in the last 2 days we have had some rain, primarily light rain, so this has not necessarily impacted our preparation negatively.
Forbes also revealed that among the next business of the management team would be the selection of the captains for the respective male and female teams.
Jamaican delegation heads to Tokyo from Tottori to Tokyo on Wednesday, September 10. So we move into the championship village/hotel. We have not yet named our captain, but that will be done in short order.
Meanwhile, TVJ Sports has learned that the coaches have been appointed to the respective relay teams. Men's sprint relay world record holder Michael Frater will be in charge of the men's 4x100 meter team, while Paul Francis will guide the women's 4x100 meter team as well as the mixed 4x400 meter team. Bert Cameron will be in charge of the men's 4x400 meter team, while Mark Elliott will have responsibility for the women's 4x400 meter team. The Tokyo World Athletics Championships will run from September 13 to 21 and can be seen live and exclusive on TVJ, TVJSN and OneSpotMedia.com with radio coverage on Hits 92 FM. Our coverage starts on September 12. Jeremy Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.